We are a company specializing in CNC machine tool spindles. We design, manufacture, and repair built-in, belt, and direct spindles. Starting from machine tool equipment design, we have established and operated a spindle center in our German branch. Upon returning to the headquarters, I leverage my field experience to lead the design and prototype, assembly of high-speed spindles, identifying and improving any issues. Well-equipped and well-prepared, Drive Spindle will be your spindle's dedicated physician, ensuring complete and thorough care.